Boys, it's been ages. It's been ages. We're about to cross over the no-no zone, though. Let me say that out loud. This is not good. This is the very much opposite of good. I mean, if we reject this zone at like $2 to $2 to 180, and like really, this is me reaching for a zone, trying to find something, and it's even I got it a little bit off right here, but I'm not gonna bitch too much. It's close enough. I got that bitch locked. So I guess I don't. Can we move this John up just a tad? Hold up. Let's move this puppy up just a smidge. And this is me reaching for something. I don't think this is real. But also over here, just liquidity. It's just pure zone. That's been tested twice already. Maybe even 3 times. And it's probably going to continue to keep going down. This is not looking great. There is no fucking pattern. This is the day chart, too. Like, it's just not looking good. We could level out in this zone, though. Looking at the stochastic RSI. No, this ain't even stochastic. This is just RSI. Yeah, looking at the RSI, man, we spent a long time in La La Land. What's crazy is this is where it really started to end. After the first, like, dip. And, of course, we're going to see that downward movement. But, yeah, XRP's never really spent very long this high in RSI. Like it did over here. So, I mean, it could absolutely keep going. But, let's see. What's it trying to tell me here? What we got? XRP, yeah. Damn. A stronger US dollar hurts us. I don't think that's the case. And I think most people are fucking mistaken. Because it does not hurt us. I mean, arguably, though, the argument to that is COVID, we did fucking well. The dollar didn't. So, there's definitely some good arguments out there. Portugal's talking about 0% crypto tax gains. Guys, we're moving. We're getting the fuck out of here. We're gonna go to fucking Portugal, man. That's where we're going. It's what we gotta do at this point. And unless the US decides to do some shit like it, I don't think they will. XRP NFTs are like cooked right now, though. They're down bad. I'm like, let me see. Yeah, meme coins are pretty cooked. What's the K cup doing? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. K-Cups moving. It's grooving. Let's go, man. That's pretty bussin'. We gonna pick up a little bit more. What's in my wallet even? 1850 XRP. What is that? It's like fucking $3,600. Let me think with my noggin. Before I buy this is what we do. We go to Deck Screener. And we're gonna go to Karen on XRP. We're gonna look at these top traders. Pitiful. Pitiful. I feel like buying that is catching a falling knife. But maybe I'm wrong. XRP's weird. XRP is majorly weird. Oh, free spec op. No. I've been inactive for far too fucking long, man. see what's happening in the hour chart. Oh, we're in danger. Fuck, I have to. That's right. Son of a bitch. Yeah, there's no way I'm seeing that. Maybe on 4 hour. Nope. Of course not. That sucks. Give me 12 hour. We don't got that. Shit. I got it from my bot. Because I'm a G. Gotta make sure we have those things. Yeah, I want to come back and look one more time. Feel like let me see. It's just not perfect. That's why I'm pretty sure this is me reaching for something that is not there. Wait. Nah, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm reaching. Reaching for the motherfucking stars. We either turn it around in the next week or we're cooked. And we're going to go lower for sure. I could be off with this, but I think we could absolutely see this zone again. It's like $1.40 to $1.25. It's rough. All right. What are they running over here? Oh, it's called what? I feel like it's on the top page. I feel like I've seen it. No? Yeah, it's Phoenix. Damn. Where was I a week ago? Shit. Oh my God. This is what happens when I go get a job, bro. It's coming. Johnny Bravo or Bravo is coming. Hold on, let me pull up an article about this. Generally, what they do, what happens is like the exchanges have to delist them. So, like for example, when XRP was being sued by the SEC back in 2020, like Coinbase and all these other markets delisted XRP, and you weren't allowed to trade. It doesn't mean you can't hold those tokens, but there should definitely like there's going to be a significant move in liquidity. Like if Tether is done in Europe, I don't know. Like it still dominates the global market for sure. Like if we were checking out, I was looking at the volume earlier. It's still number one in volume. So like that's not a problem. But how many of these, exchanges mostly operate out of the EU? You know what I mean? And how, that, so these are numbers that are really hard to look into, and it's very time consuming. But what it does is it creates opportunity for the newly found RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin, that is regulated, to step in and take over that liquidity. So I don't find it to be a coincidence that the same week that Ripple launches their shit, Tether gets banned in Europe. The same exact week, though. Matter of fact, it was like 5 days later. So I don't know, that liquidity, if they do get delisted by some major exchanges, this liquidity's got to go somewhere, man. Like, I just don't know. It's fucking it's a little concerning, but that's not going to stop like the decentralized aspect of things. But USDT is not really decent. It was never really made to be. I mean, it is, but they might as well be the Federal Reserve, in my opinion. It might as well just be the Federal Reserve. Because I think Coinbase leads the way with these delisting parties, and it was the same thing happened with XRP, right? Coinbase delisted it, and then so did everybody else, because it's just safer. Like the issue it's the most hell yeah, it's the most widely used cryptocurrency, and that's what makes it hard. And I could understand why some exchanges are probably waiting for it to get more serious before they delist, because they don't want to miss out on all this liquidity, all this, transaction. XDC is a banger, bro. Fucking, but yeah, this is $115 billion in transaction volume. How much money do they make off that? You know what I mean? Because market makers generate fees, and they literally create their own markets, and these market makers are literally in-house. So there's a lot of money to be made, so it's hard to want to just delist something like that and say goodbye. XRP back in the day probably didn't have this much volume either. 6 billion. No, yeah, 6 billion. Fucking, that's way less money to be worried about. People are like, all right, get it gone. It's not worth the risk, right? But I could see it being way more worth the risk up here, because there's literally always over $100 billion in trading volume. This is like a consistent, as of late, at least I would say. Like, I feel like I haven't looked at Tether's volume in a very long time and seen anything under like double, triple Bitcoin. Like, that's a great thing. But when is RLUSD even listed on this? Ripple USD, yeah, what's the volume on this puppo? Probably dog shit. Probably nothing. 40 million? So, yeah, in the last 24 hours, it's gone up 200%. So, like, since the news came out, we've already seen more liquidity flow this direction. So, I think it'll be really interesting to see what happens. What concerns me is this liquidity score. I think that will be fixed in time. I think that'll absolutely be fixed in time. How did it just take me to an account? What? Oh, it took me to the contract. I'm fucking dead. Who sent XRP to the contract, man? Who did it? Who did it? Let me make sure I'm not tripping. No, this is somebody sent $200. I guess maybe not. Is this an account or is this a fucking program? Issuer address. Okay. So it's not a program. Okay, but it's, yeah, you need multi-sig. It's a multi-sig wallet. Yeah, whatever. People are buying up that shit. Small amounts. XDC needs to do something, though. Speaking of it. I'm not even going to scroll down for it. Like, I swear, I remember when it pumped to like 9, back here, it pumped to like 9 cents, and I was like, ooh, it's on. I thought it was on last year, bruh. And it wasn't. And then we got to see the same prices again. Whatever, that's fine. But I thought it was on again. And it doesn't look like it is. So I just don't know what to say about XDC. It's like upsetting. But you never know. Like I said, if I thought that liquidity will be taken from BTC. What do you mean? The liquidity will take it. So my argument for that is Bitcoin will always be Bitcoin. And people trade Bitcoin for different reasons than they trade a stable coin. Or any other token for that matter that's not stable. And so because there's less risk in this, people are probably just moving. Let's be honest, it's probably a lot of money laundering going on in USD Tether. That's probably what's really happening, is a lot of money laundering from all the scams and this, that, and the third. Because, I mean, it's just made for it, man. It's everywhere. It's one of the most accessible crypto coins, and it's definitely one of the most targeted when it comes to scams. So, like, even if 10% of this money was fucking illegal, you know, just 10%, that's still a large chunk. And something like that couldn't happen on the Ripple USD shit, I would imagine. Because I feel like they've got that way more under control. Because obviously it's a banker's token. You know what I mean? They got that shit on lock. That, in my opinion. Tether's like, it's supposed to be decentralized, but it's like not. They're still like the Federal Reserve. Tether is, in my opinion. Just like a step away from, you know, paper currency into the digital world, you get USDT. It's like a fucking half step, not even a full step, like into decentralization. Yeah, compliance has been it's been like my number one concern for years, and I knew the thing about the XRP getting stepped on, for a lack of better words, by the SEC, just really let me know that we're like, it just continued to feed the pay to play capitalism world that we live in. Everyone has paid to play. It has become a $1 trillion business. Elon Musk, for example, and Tesla. He got sued by the SEC, and then after that, he went on 60 Minutes. His stock went boo boo, and then now he's a $1 trillion company. What's happened? The same fucking thing is happening to XRP right now. The same thing. Like, the Matrix cannot create new shit. It can only repeat itself with different fucking names, letters, numbers. It's the same shit over and 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 over. It's unreal. Makes me feel insane. But like, yeah, Elon Musk went through the same shit Brad Garlinghouse did. No one really believes in XRP, just like no one believed in Tesla. And you know, his space program shit, whatever the fuck that is, I don't even know. Nobody really believed in him back in the day. They thought he was crazy. And then, well, all of a sudden, the World Economic Forum is pushing for clean energy and this, that, and the third, diversification and all these other things. And if you don't know who the World Economic Forum is, definitely look them up. Find out who they are. Read some articles. Man, it's a rabbit hole. You'll be there fucking for years. But who's partnered with these people? Ripple. Nobody else in blockchain has got close connections to the World Economic Forum like Ripple does. And that means they're connected to the banks. They're connected to everything. Yo, what up, Max? Good morning. Good morning. Yo, y'all. I'll be right back. Actually, there's some food upstairs for me. I'm fucking starving. I'm gonna keep yapping my face off though. I'll be right back. Fuck yeah, I got some fucking gas food. About to be fucking grubbing. About to be straight grubbing. Let me see. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, bruv. Abso-fucking-lutely. I'm hella about to smack this shit. fettuccine alfredo. Fire. I made some Philly cheesesteaks for lunch today. Shit. God damn. This shit it ain't going as easy as I thought it would. I should have brought a napkin. I didn't think about it. It looks like Nightmare City. Fucking A. No! Look at what we've done. I gotta be back. I need a fucking napkin. I'm glad I got a fucking... Oh no, don't say that, dude. Don't fucking say... I'm so terrified. Look, bro, I've had people... Some very wealthy people call me in fear. In fear. And they're like, bro, you need to protect your money, protect your ass, protect your assets. And I'm like, I'm finna be buying more. Gonna be buying more. It's gonna be the opportunity of a fucking lifetime. We're waiting for that crash. And when that fucking happens, it's fucking game on. Yo, hold up. Yo, my fucking bad. My fucking bad. Let me show you. Let me show you. Johnny, my bad. I must have been doing some shit the other day. But, okay. There's a lot going on this chart. Sorry. No, I want to, yeah, okay. Get out of my face. Okay. So, we've got a nice zone up here in the 60s that we'll have to test that, see what's up. But I think the real liquidity is at like 40, not far off where you said. The dream entry is right where you said. That's the dream entry. That's my dream entry, is right where you said. 30K. I think that's fair. But there's definitely 2 key zones that we gotta cross through in the bad way to reach that dream entry, which I'm fine with. Completely fine with it. What is this coming up? Tether's gonna be an interesting story moving forward. Though I think whatever happens to Tether is gonna like have a lot of say in what happens to mostly everything else. Because, for example, if the liquidity doesn't move somewhere else after everything delists Tether, right? Say the liquidity doesn't stay on chain, then we're just losing a lot of fucking money in our total market cap of cryptocurrency. Losing a lot of it, a third of it. No, not even. It'd be like, what are we at? 3 trillion, 3.24 up here, 3.24. So fuck my brain. A small percent, but it's still large. Still large. I say small, but it is not small. It's quite large. But like XRP's kind of got the same thing going on right now too, where we might fuck around and see that 60-cent XRP again. And I will be so upset. That day, I will be upset and I will buy more. I'll be so fucking sad. But I'll be like, God damn it. You know? What do you do? But yeah, like XRP couldn't even... The thing is, if we don't break all-time highs and we dip back down, bro, like the next time it happens, bro, like it's my make it break it. Like if XRP can't break all-time high, say in another 4 years, like I'm gonna start losing hope. I'm not gonna lie. But things look good right now. And we're right at that zone where we really couldn't pass last cycle. Right now we're sitting on top of it. So there's an upside to the current state of the market, but there's a very large downside. Very large. The total global market cap like tripled, or not tripled, doubled in a month. Like not that long ago. Like Chainlink was doing fucking gravy. Another gravy ass pick. But we didn't break these like important zones. It's like VeChain, didn't we get up to like 6 cents? Yeah. 7 cents. I'm glad I sold. Fucking. Because VeChain just pisses me off. It doesn't fucking ever move. When it does, it goes right back down. Tired of holding that shit. Bro, I'm starting to, bro. Oh, dude. I just thought about. Yeah. 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 If it's a brutal, it's gonna happen so fast too. It's gonna happen so fast. It's gonna happen faster than we went up, and we went up fast this year. So like, it's gonna be Nightmare City. Nightmare fucking City. Why didn't I just... I'm not gonna be able to go that far back on fucking... I'm gonna have to just look it up. Aren't I? Fucking... Blah. Yeah, we're not able to go that far back. It's kind of crazy. Okay, hold on. That's low-key kind of crazy. Without even digging any deeper. No, that's the Great Recession. I want to see the stock market crash. There's no one that's gonna fucking... Yeah. This gotta be bullshit. Hold on. It's old. Still old. Where's the... I wish I could just fucking... Here's the month. Here's the month of. This is what it feels like we're starting. 100% is this side of it right here, where we're like, last call testing. Anyone else want to lose before we go fucking parabolically down? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what it feels like. Feels like the last chance call to fucking live. You know what I'm saying? And that's a month chart, though. Oh, it's not. It's not happy with me for doing that. Yeah, it's not happy with me. Let's put on the month chart. I wish TradingView existed. Okay. Let me see this. Give me this. Yeah, and it took like, would have been. I'm just grabbing this real quick. Hold on, just so I can look at this particular part of it. It would have been over. Scroll all the way down to 1929. 2, 3, 4 years. So over the next 4 years, like it's realistic. This is totally possible. Like where we just see it go to nothing over the next 4 years, and then bull run time, and it starts again. Right here. Until it eventually fully recovers. But in Bitcoin, in crypto, it'll happen a lot faster. I truly believe it'll happen way faster than all these years that it took. So, but yeah, no, I think this is like, it's a very good comparison. I'm glad you got me interested in. Oh, I can enlarge right here. Can I? No, it's capping with me. Was my computer just like, nope, it's like, you're not allowed to do anything right now. Okay. Yeah, that's a good one though. I want to pull this full screen, man. Yeah, it could be a fake out too. It could always, because like, this kind of happened. Like, why is it's just not. Okay. So like, this did kind of happen previously, like in the last bull run where we dipped and then we came back. Like, you know what I'm saying? We could always come back to like this zone one more time before it actually happens. So like, you know, if you zoom out and you're thinking over the next, you know, we're in 22 just in the next 2 years. Give me why do I be stupid? My brain. Yo, I've been at work too much. Yo, my brain. Okay. Fucking. But my prediction is, if this, or the scary part is about crypto, we could be, let me just place this down real quick so I can pull it out later. We could even be in the, like, if you compare history to history, we could be really mimicking this pattern here. And getting ready to go fucking higher. But that doesn't mean that over the next 4 years, after we go higher, like, either way, I think the dip comes. It just does. I think, like, I've been in crypto long enough to know that it comes. So I don't stress, like, over. 4 years to me is even short-term price action. Like, I'm a young fella. I'm 24, man. I got time, all right? I'm playing the time game, not the fucking guessing game on when I'm going to enter at the right moment and sell at the right moment. No. I don't want to do that. It's not my strategy. But let's do the opposite of this. Let's pull out a long position. And let's see what happened. What are we looking at? 1200%. Let's clone this puppy. I'll just drag his ass over here. Where'd I start that bitch at? Okay. So I'm saying, so like, we could absolutely have some more room to grow, because we've only done a third of this, right? This 1200%. So I had to drag it down because it was being fucking weird. Hold on. See if I can squish this a little bit more. Why is it not? What? Tell me you could not. Yeah, so 466% in comparison to a 1284%. So if we were to make sure this was a 1284%. Like if we saw the exact same thing, we'd roughly see like $7. Roughly. But this is us repeating 2018, not the previous cycle. And that's me hoping and wishing on a fucking star that we're in this phase right here, which basically lasted through December. Back then, let's see. You know, it's gone through December now. So like we are at the make it break it point right now. Right now is like the next 2 weeks. We'll know for sure. There will be no question whether it's up or down. It will be no question. Absolutely not. Zero question. Very soon. 100% we will know. Which would be sick. I'd love to see that same growth. But yeah, so like it could be a fake out, but dude, we don't. Everyone, and see what fucks me up is everyone wants to claim it's different this time and like say, oh well, the institutions are involved. Oh well, this is involved. Oh well, fucking the United States government. Well, guess who's already been top holders of Bitcoin and all these fucking tokens? Guess who's already been involved, and it's just now being public about it. The same people they're saying that makes things different. So there's nothing fundamentally different this year during this bull cycle than there is in any other bull cycle, to me. From point blank value, maybe they're buying up more, but who do you think fucking put the $1 trillion in fucking market cap? Where do you think that it's a trillion? $1 trillion fucking dollars. Almost 2. Like, we can't say it's different now because institutions are involved when they've clearly already been involved. I promise you, there's not $1 trillion in random fucking Joe Schmo guys like me and you. There's not $2 trillion worth of our money laying in Bitcoin. There's not. And when you look at the top holders of Bitcoin, you're going to see all these institutions. You're going to see the United States government, all these things. They can fucking wreck us. They can. And guess what? They probably did every other fucking time. They get people excited about it, get retail investors in up high, and then I hear nothing but bitching and moaning about how I bought the top for the next 3 years until it's back to these prices, and then people want to buy again. Like, it's just fucking the way of the wind at this point. Like, to be expected. But yeah, it would be fucking sick to see a $7, $8 XRP, man. It'd be fucking sick. But I feel like I'm wishing on a star. It's a pipe dream. Like, we're about at fucking $2 now. Like, it's make it break it, man. And it's not looking good. Let's go back to this 4 hour. Yeah, man. Very scary. Technically, they are higher fucking lows. But we're talking barely. We're talking barely. Really? Are they though? Because this is the wick. This isn't a candle. So really, like, nah, I'm not fucking with this, man. Like, now Let's fucking do the opposite. See what this downtrend's looking like against this, like, just fucking create my little wedge right here. Yeah, so like this is realistically where we've got to fucking. I like to do the last green candle before takeoff. I haven't gotten into my Bitcoin chart really with you. I do believe you're new around here, but I got every October the 8th marked out in the history of Bitcoin. If you ever bought Bitcoin in October, you were a happy man. No matter what. Over time, you were a happy man. If you bought Bitcoin in October at fucking 60,000 this year, you were fucking up 50%. Oh, dude, it's so much going on, bro. It's so much going on. But it's every fucking trend line that could be relevant. It's everything I could find. So, like, it was very fucking funny to me when this looks like it got misplaced. This got misplaced hella. Wait. No, where did that come from? That can't be right. This can't be right. This is not physically possible to be. It's got to be like. Where the fuck else would it have been from? It's gotta be this, right? I don't know. It looks like it got fucked up. Whatever it was, it got fucked up. And that's unfortunate. I almost want to just delete it, but I feel like it's supposed to be right here. Type shit. Yeah, bro, it's definitely a manipulation game. What the fuck else would that be for? Has to be that. That doesn't make sense. Okay, low key. It's not it. I think it has to be deleted. Because where the fuck did it come from? Oh, wait a minute. Let me fucking go back a shitload of times. It's fixed now. It's gone. Which means it's better. Okay. It was right here, I think. No, I don't know. Who fucking cares? It's gone now. All right. No, okay, so this is what I was trying to look at. Fucking Bitcoin, for a second, I thought was respecting the fuck out of this really old trend line from fucking 2018, 2019. Like this cycle. I really thought it was gonna. And we were gonna continue up because it really started fucking like down the road. It was an area of interest. So I don't know. We just couldn't stay above this line, man. So, you know, now it don't look so good, though. It don't look great. I'm not sure why I marked this out. I think this is just an extra zone of interest that I have on here. There's so much going on. But yeah, I'm definitely missing a couple trend lines. Nothing major, but like I've noticeably one here maybe. I'm just staring at it from a distance, but I don't even know if I want to consider that what would be a trend line. ETFs do change everything because grandma and grandpa have the ability to buy now. But that doesn't mean that they aren't going to use grandma and grandpa just like they use the 9-to-5 workers and the 401ks in the United States to get more exit liquidity for themselves to make themselves richer. This is how it works. So like prices still go up down, majorly. I just think that it's a matter of like we've always heard about the transition of what the fuck am I thinking? The transition of wealth. Sorry, my brain farted for a second. But we've always talked about and heard about the transition of wealth, and I think it is important for ETFs and all these things to come in now, right? Because grandma and grandpa need to buy at fucking 90,000. The dude that's going to, work and has an account with fucking BlackRock. That, and BlackRock's really, they're just managing businesses' money. So all these fucking big dick investors, let them buy Bitcoin right now, because that's what they're continuing to do, is buy Bitcoin at these prices, right? At least that's what they tell us. So, if they're buying at this price, when are they ever right? When are they ever right? Like, Michael Saylor, shout out to that dude, who's like, oh yeah, I've been pro crypto. Oh, like he wasn't trashing on it 6 years ago. Bitcoin is the stupidest thing. Like, where's Dan Pena at too? That motherfucker. Like, there's a lot of fucking very wealthy people that are eating their fucking words, and now that they're interested, are they fucking telling us to buy the top because they already bought over the last fucking God knows how long? So like, it's all game of liquidity, because we need more liquidity to exit, right? At the end of the day, it's a fucking pyramid scheme. Capitalism is nothing but a pyramid scheme. Bitcoin, XRP, all these things, they're just different dynamically, but they all same core values. Yeah, exactly. ETF, exactly. Because retail likes to lose. And that's where the opportunity comes in. They want us to buy the top now, I swear. And when retail investors do, grandma, grandpa, your 401kers start getting into these ETFs and shit like that. Oh, I can get on Robinhood and buy fucking shit now. Ooh-whoop-de-woo. Like, there's so many ways to access cryptocurrency right now. Like, you see, like, I'm pretty sure Coinbase was the top app on Apple, like, not even a month ago. And that is literally the most top, like, the toppest of the top signals that we could ever have. The top signal was in. When Coinbase was a #1 fucking downloaded app on Apple again, that is the top. That means retail is coming in right now. You know what I'm saying? So, like, dude, and the thing is, I don't even be selling. I just be fucking chilling. Like, I just be chilling. Like, fucking, I just like doing it. Like, I'm passionate about staring at this shit. So, like, I'd rather, because God forbid, like, I'm not one of those guys that's like, XRP is going to go to $10,000. But God forbid it does, and I fucking fucked up and made a mistake and lost God knows how much XRP because I wanted to make a fucking trade and think short term, not long term. I'd be furious. Be furious. Like, if ETH, I've lost a lot of Ethereum, and if ETH, I guess if I didn't lose it at 4K, if I didn't lose it last cycle, mostly, like, I'd be less upset, because I bought ETH at like $300. That was when I first got my, like, first Ethereum was like $300. I want to say $395 was exactly the price I paid. And, oh, yeah, and so that's why, like, the leveraging and futures, like, that's my jam now. because I don't have to actually sell. Like, I can risk some of my assets and risk my ass, but I just risk a stable coin instead. You know what I'm saying? So like, and I'll just bet on Solana going down with a stable coin, some fucking out of my pocket money. And if I win, I get more Solana. Dude, what? Bet. You know, or I get more USDT, I guess. Which is fucked, because now I can't use it. I'm not going to be able to use it. I'll think, if Coinbase delisted it in Europe, it's coming into the United States too. Like, it's only a matter of time. And that's what's fucked. And so that's, like, they might force us to use USDC or RLUSD. That's, like, really our only options, I guess. What is the fucking... There's a new one. I can't even remember. It's a weird-ass fucking one. Where is it? It's, like, right up here in the top dogs, I thought. Stable coins. I don't fucking remember. First Digital USD. This is what it is. First Digital. So, and they got $2 billion. They don't do crazy volume. 6 billion in volume. Roughly the same as XRP. And their volume's up 100% since USDT. Same thing we seen. Actually, RLUSD has significantly less volume. Let's go check that out one more time. They were at 6 billion. RLUSD. Yeah, we're talking, bro. Barely got our fucking toe in the water with RLUSD. USDC is fucking trash. The only thing great about USDC is, like, Coinbase will allow you to, like a fucking savings account, earn a small percentage for basically giving them the money, like lending them the money. You know what I'm saying? So you can make that APY. But, like, what is it, 2% probably? Like, nobody fucking cares. Like, leave me alone. Like, it's just the banks. That's why, like, I think what XRP's done with RLUSD is unique as fuck, because if I am correct, it's 1-to-1 US dollar backed, whatever. Yeah, okay. I can't even remember. Oh, hell no. So this is Brad Garlinghouse saying that they've minted 20% of USDC? What? Yo, what? Like, that's fucking... What did I just read? What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think RLUSD... The beautiful thing about it is decentralized. So if you got a decentralized XRP wallet like Zaman, shout out to what used to be Zum, you could probably trade it and fucking use it. But there has to be liquidity on chain. So, like, fucking A. That's crazy though. Hold on, man. Yeah, bro, that is insane. If this is... And they cut the reserve requirement, that was a huge deal because nobody wanted to put 10x. Dude, imagine having to hold, what was it, 10 XRP in your wallet, and XRP's at $500, bro. You're pissed. But yeah, that's just, it wasn't gonna happen. It was like a wonderful idea at first for, like, kind of taking away from supply, but you can't, like, we're too big now. You can't do that. No one wants to pay $20 to open a fucking account. Right? Especially in crypto. Like, No one's gonna fucking do that. But yeah, like, bro, if they fucking... There was a big event 18 months ago, USDC depegged, and they felt like there was an opportunity, is what apparently, allegedly, Brad Garlinghouse said. So, like, there's definitely some serious opportunity, especially with, the NYDFS approving them, the New York Department of Financial Services. That was who we were waiting on the thumbs up from. We got it from them. Gary Gensler's out in a month, 20 days, 21 days maybe. It's fucking on. It's on. It's fucking on. And what are they doing? Aren't they doing bank bonds? Like RLUSD, aren't they doing bank bonds? Yeah. Backed by U.S. government bonds, right? Okay, check me out. Daily transaction volume of U.S. bonds. $879 billion fucking dollars. That's a lot of fucking money. That is a quarter of the entire cryptocurrency market cap or more. That is potentially, we're talking about coming to the XRP ledger. Dog. Now, is it going to happen overnight? Fuck, no, it won't. But we got over $1 trillion, like, basically, what is a almost $1 trillion daily fucking market coming to blockchain. And that's what XRP wants to do. It's backed by bank bonds, cash equivalents, U.S. deposits. That's like what they're using for RLUSD, man. Bank bonds. It's a fucking really big deal. It's a really big deal. Like, I don't think anyone realizes just how much alone in the United States that U.S. treasuries and shit are traded. Like, bro. Like, this is how we get the old people on board. This is how you get the bankers on board. And then after that, we're fucking... What the fuck is even gonna happen? But yeah. Why U.S.? Ooh, let's read this. U.S. banks can hold RLUSD on the XRPL/ETH ledger. Okay. The Dodd-Frank Act. I've never heard of this. RLUSD does operate under strict fucking U.S. regulations. Very strict. That otherwise they wouldn't have got approved by the New York Financial Services Department. Whatever. New York Department of Financial Services. It wouldn't have happened if they weren't fucking... like... legit. Fully collateralized with onshore assets, U.S. treasuries. So, like, in order to fucking make more USDT, they have to have more treasuries. And, like, it's a liquidity game. Like, and liquidity and market makers goes both ways, man. You can pull it out of this, you can pull it out on this. So at what point does the bridge come, right? Where we're able to actually go to the bank, get a bank bond, and instead of getting USD or US dollars for it, right, we could just instead take RLUSD because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So it just gives us more dude, it is insane. And I'm normally not the guy that says XRP is going to go to fucking $10,000, but like, dude, like when you start actually looking at the numbers and how much liquidity could really come, but you also take it with a grain of salt because we know it can't happen overnight. Now, maybe in 30 years, that's totally possible. In 30 years, we could see some insane-ass price for XRP. But yeah, now like the more you look at it, it starts to make fucking sense, and you feel insane about it. And it don't make you not feel insane. Nothing about this will make you feel sane. Because it's like, how is this right in front of everybody's eyes? It's arguably the most hated blockchain. Not even arguably, you can't even argue about it. It is the most hated blockchain in cryptocurrency. Nobody likes XRP. Everyone hates XRP unless you're an XRP bro. And if you're an XRP bro, you're real world assets bro. So I won't even hold it to the XRP dudes. Guys that are into RWAs, they know. But all these other people, they're like, decentralized, get away from the government. Like that, they're going to let that happen? Did you think that was really going to happen? Yeah, they're going to let it go. But guess who's got control of it again? Now, like I said, Bitcoin. Let's look at their top holders. Top 10 largest holders of Bitcoin. And we don't even know if this is fucking true. But MicroStrategy, fucking, I know this isn't true. I know this isn't true. Because BlackRock's not on this list, man. BlackRock's not on the list. There they are. BlackRock has more than this. No, that's Block. Dude, BlackRock ain't even here. Fun fact. Crypto rank. Let's check this out. Oh, wait. They're not even on the list. It is weird as fuck. Because I can clearly see that BlackRock back in 2020, 2021, you see what they've done? You see who else they funded? You see who BlackRock funded? BlackRock told everybody to buy FTX, didn't they? I bet they did. And then what happened? Everyone lost. That shit went to zero. It went to nothing. Sam Bankman-Fried. Adios, pal. Like, what the fuck happened, right? Like, all this money raised, dude, they raised $1 billion. No, almost two. $1.75 billion. Dude, funded by BlackRock. Now, during 2020, 2021, we seen the NFT bull run, right? GameFi became a thing. Gaming finance, free to play, play to earn models became a thing. And I've really dove deep and hard into these. And fucking Epic Games in an BlackRock invested. Okay, not only did Sony Financial Venture Capital also invest in Epic Games for this game finance, all these fucking people did. BlackRock did it twice, and BlackRock was in both of the raises that were over $1 billion. They've raised a total of $6.61 billion fucking dollars, which is hilarious because 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 13, the number of the Matrix. Fuck with me. So, like, they've known that blockchain is going to take over because games like CSGO fucking perform the most, like, in terms of, like, revenue, because they have ownable assets. And that's what makes blockchain great and NFTs great. That's the only real use case right now. It's gaming. BlackRock knows that. Sony fucking sure as hell knows that because they were involved in two. Now that I see, Sony alone gave them $250 million in 2020. And yeah, so like, man, so like, here's proof that fucking, you know, these guys have been fucking in cryptocurrency for at least 3 years, and BlackRock has not told anybody. We have proof. We have fucking proof. Hard fucking evidence. Very hard evidence. Fidelity's here too. Bro, it's so fucking crazy, man. It's so crazy, dude. Oh, it's so fucking crazy. But let's see, who the fuck else? Let's take a look at somebody else that took part in this, like Fidelity, for example. How long has Fidelity been involved in crypto? Since 2018? Interesting. Fidelity's been in since 2018. That's crazy. We're gonna pretend like that's normal. Yeah, bro. We're gonna pretend like that's normal though, real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the Spartan group. Spartan. Let's see when their first fucking fundraising round was. They've been busy. Oh my god. They've done 2 or 3 fucking fundraising rounds a month. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at how many of these are GameFi. Look at how many. They're all GameFi. It's all GameFi, bro. Hold on. Let me come back. GameFi. GameFi. Shitload of GameFi. Blockchain services, infrastructure. Dude, I'm telling you, nobody, bro. CryptoRank.io, the best website, hands down, ever that you could find, because it's all public information, and we wouldn't know that Spartan Group has been involved in cryptocurrency since 2018 if we weren't able to see that they've been giving people fucking millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars the whole fucking time to run their fucking projects. We wouldn't know. So, like, yeah, man, it's fucking, dude, everything is here, man. Anything you want to see, it's fucking here. Check out the top funds. Hashkey Capital's kind of big, but they're super crypto based. So, like, let's find some like normal. Yeah, Sequoia Capital here. Like, no one huge Tether. Imagine that. They're just giving out money. Wait, isn't Rumble? Tether invested in Rumble. Tether gave Rumble $775 million this year. Like, why? Why would they? Why would? Dude, that's not cool. Because I'm pretty sure they just picked up roughly this amount in liquidity in Bitcoin. And obviously it just went to Rumble. They didn't even keep it for themselves. That's fucking sickening, dude. Tether is shady. That is shady as fuck. That's crazy. I can't even fucking fathom. Play now. Oh, it's a crypto casino. Get out of here. I don't need to lose my crypto. There's got to be some more, like, super big companies coming into play. I feel like most of these guys are, like, started because of crypto. Like, I recognize a lot of these names, but they're all, like, cryptocurrency. I think Merit Circle is a... what? Yeah, I ain't fucking risking it. NFTs, shooters, play to earn. Like, everyone's investing in GameFi, man. It's fucking crazy. Like, when you study, like, bro, the average GameFi... Hold on, let me find this tweet, man. I did some research, man, because I was trying to launch a GameFi project with a... It's a long story. I won't get into it full detail, but I'll find this tweet real quick. I found 200 different... The weirdest... Yeah, bro. Yeah, Mexi, bro. And they're shady, bro. They're shady as fuck. I've been pretty involved in the behind the scenes of how all this works. Like, and it's made me, like, lose my passion almost for crypto. Because when you understand that the liquidity is controlled, the markets are controlled, everything is a fucking lie, and everything you see on the chart is bullshit made up by the founders and the liquidity that they have, trying to manipulate the chart and get motherfuckers to be their exit liquidity so they can make money and make their chart go more up at the end of the day. Like, and there's companies that get paid to do this. The FBI just cracked down on the company that I was trying to work with for my GameFi project. This is real. This is the fucking justicedepartment.gov. This is real. 18 people. The SEC has filed civil complaints alleging violations of the securities laws in relation to the conduct at GotBit CLS Global, which is the company that I once had a very close connection with. I still do. I'm based in the U.S. and I don't play with the FBI, so I'm not fucking with this. But let me put on a VPN real quick so I'm not in the Global. I'm gonna check out their website. Check out them on standby right here. Yeah, so what they do this thing called market making, right? And dude, if my fucking game developer wasn't a cuck and needed $200 for some reason instead of $6 million, bro, I'd have raised $6 million fucking dollars with these guys. Shout out to that dumbass. Fucking brokey. That's crazy. And it wouldn't have even been, like, it's not even like I would have raised $6 million for myself. It would have been mostly to pay bro to make the game. And fucking anyone else that we were going to hire. It's crazy. He just didn't believe it could happen. Mental blockers. He's fucking sad fella. But yeah, so what they do is, like, dude, they don't even have... They don't even have it listed anymore. Hold on. Yeah, you can't even... Ha! It's not even on their website. Nope, here it is. Market making. So, it's not even going to tell you what it is. But basically, they're moving and changing the liquidity and making the market stable or unstable at any point in time. So, if there's retail's giving off mass sell pressure, they can pull liquidity, make the market unstable, save themselves the money, make the chart go dip, fucking buy back in, enter the liquidity, make it stable, and they got their entry and made it more stable so that way if the sell pressure continues, that the price don't come down like that no more. They got their entry and now they're making it more stable. So that way you're exiting up here where maybe they don't want the fucking price to go down, or they're really struggling to keep the price from going down. They can fucking, like, do all kinds of shit, dude. It's literally a constantly running algorithm that is constantly, like, let me show you this shit. And it's very common on Solana. So, like, I'm not going to call anyone out by name. Yes, I am. I'm just kidding. Absolutely calling them out by name. So the Grass Foundation, as you can see, is it not running? There's no trading volume. And as you can see, the trading volume, if you look close right here, it's coming from the same wallets. All these sells and shit. $27.6 million bought, $27.3 million sold with an unrealized P&L of $400,000. So technically they're in profit $100K. Like, and they're doing this. Say another account bought 23 million, sold 23.6 million, P&L of 500K. So now we can see two of their accounts have made 600K in the last. This token's been live for a few months, since fucking the end of October. So they've already almost made $1 million off of their market making, just in two wallets. And so that means people are losing and they're winning. And it's not legal in the United States. It's not. This is not legal. But they do it. They do it, man. They fucking do it. You just gotta know how to look at that shit and how to know it's there. You can actually take advantage of it. And if you can track wallets and shit like me, take advantage of it. That way you know, because if they're causing sell pressure, they can also do the inverse. If they want it to go down, you fucking better grab your floaties and hope you can swim. Fucking, because they got control of the token. They got supply control on top of liquidity, control over the liquidity. Like, it's fucked. It's so fucked, and it's so easy. The idea is to create inorganic trading volumes to produce more trading volumes, and that's the sales pitch. Because, like, I'll be honest, I'm in sales. Like, I just know how this shit goes. The sales pitch is to create more, what's the word? Natural volumes, right? Is literally the term they will use, like natural volume. They don't want to only have this fake volume, but to use the fake volume to incite people to believe that there's real volume, and then they also want to trade. And so now we're going to see increased amounts of trades, or an increased amount of traders, maybe not a number of trades, but the number of traders on that token. We're going to see more people because it looks like people are actively trading the shit out of it, and it looks like it's at a good price or whatever. I believe Grass is great. They're an AI. They're AI, and they created what they call is, it's so weird. Hold on. This is some nerdy shit. I gotta look this up because I can't ever remember. Valid. That's right. They launched Valid. It's video, audio, large interleaved data sets. And basically what they've done is they've got 300 million audio and image and text. Basically, is they've got 300 million snippets of audio, images, texts, making it the first ever video, audio interleaved data set that is being used to train AI. So now they're going to know what our mannerisms look like, because someone like me, it could be learning off of my videos because I'm right here talking and doing normal human shit. It can be learning off of this through transcripts and through fucking visualizing myself and making me data. Like, this is gonna change the fucking world. So, like, I'm bullish as fuck. I got airdropped a fuckload of this. It's an airdrop too. Fucking but yeah, to be out for, normally you see an airdrop and it goes down. That did not happen. It did not happen. And I'm kind of upset because I wanted to buy more. And that's just not what happened. What do you fucking do? It went from 0. Well, I guess they had a market cap. That's weird. They just weren't live. Yeah, so they went from like nothing to fucking. Like, what happened? How's the market cap here? Wait a minute. Something. Yeah, see, it's weird. 700 million. Like, we're actually down in market cap and up in price. So, huh? Fucking, huh? This hurt my noggin. Yo, it's fucking, yeah, dude, this is the future. Like, bro, and they're under $1 billion. Like, this is a micro cap token. To me, this is micro cap, man. Like, 500 fucking $1 million market cap, bro. We're growing all day. We're growing all day. Especially when, like, if you look at the top AI coin, what is it? Fucking Fetch AI. What is it? Fetch? It is Fetch. They're just not Fetch anymore? No, it is Fetch AI. It's Fetch AI. Yeah. So, like, these guys are worth three fucking billion. That's a fucking 6x from where we're at on grass. And so I'm like, if it wants to compete, and that puts it in the top 50. So, like, if we could hit some top 50 shit, bro, yeah, it could be, man. Well, the thing about Shiba, where the fuck even did Shiba go? Oh, man. I feel like meme coins are gonna get wrecked really fucking hard soon. It's not exciting. But Shiba could go crazy. It was a pipe dream when that shit happened. Yeah, there's rumors of fucking Shiba Inu and Call of Duty partnerships and this and yada 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 yada. I remember all that shit. Fucking, I'll never forget. Yo, Pudgy Penguins, this is top 60, and they just launched their shit too. How the fuck did they launch at such a high market cap and they're managing to be stable? It blows my mind. Not like fully stable, but they're holding out. FTX is fucking alive still. If FTX ever does anything again, I'm gonna cry. Because we could have bought it. We could have just bought it after it died and been like, fuck it. But nah. It did kind of open up my eyes to arbitrage trading, which is hella fun. I've been trying to work on some AI models for machine learning futures trading. And if I can get that shit right, oh, it's going to be badass. It's going to be a bad bitch. It's going to be a bad bitch, man. But I'm working on trying to understand. I've taught myself everything I know when it comes to coding. And so, like, I don't know if you're into coding, but I'm trying to understand neural networks and how I can implement those into a machine learning model. That way, my AI can make better decisions and have a more thorough thought process, if that makes sense. It's so fucking weird. It's so fucking weird, but it's gonna fucking work. It's gonna work. Fucking, we need it to. Yo, I will be right back. I'm about to go smoke, my man. Pause. I took a fucking year, but I'm back. All right. Yeah, man. I think there's back to the like programming shit. There's gonna be a very competitive market eventually for trading bots. I don't think that it's something that many people want to let out. Yeah, man, that's the thing. So, like, yeah, I've noticed a common, yeah, it's the banker's token, man, because it just makes sense for us. Bitcoin's great, don't get me wrong, but, like, I don't know. Read the Bible, you know what I'm saying? It a fucking, like, XRP really brought back my interest in reading. And I actually just got a fuckload of books today delivered from Amazon. Let's go. But man, like it just goes back to like when I don't know how old you are, brother. But you know, there's a grand old saying that everyone fucking used to say, and it was that like debit cards were the mark of the beast, right? Every religious person was like, that's debit cards, right? And so, like, you know, with this new technology and all this new shit happening, I had that same thought. And so I was like, okay, let me read this, you know. Let me go read this, not in a religious mindset, but more so of a storytelling. Let's see what's in here, you know. And it's actually a really good fucking read, religious or not. I was born and raised Catholic. I'm not really... I don't know what to fucking call myself anymore. I believe in Jesus Christ, but it's hard to explain. I think it's just hard to explain. It's one of those things that's like everyone and everything leads back to Jesus Christ, and that's just the only thing there is to it. To me, like everything. There's no part of the world that does not know, speak about, talk about. Many parts of the world were never in contact with each other, and they still knew. Without ever being in contact, they still knew about them, right? So it's like, how did the ancients know? And even like the Anunnaki tell the story, have super similar stories, especially with the conception of man, or like what would have been as the story of Adam and Eve. It's told by the Anunnaki that this dude Enki essentially molded clay and something else, took a unconscious human being's rib and molded it with like clay and some other shit, basically the same story that's told in the Bible, and then created a conscious man, which would have been Eve in the Bible. Just it's fucking told the same way every time. It almost makes me wonder if time travel is fucking like somehow plays a role, and how like it's in every fucking culture, man. I swear. Blows my mind. I'd be loving books. I actually just I'm into like philosophy right now. So I started reading the Meditations of Marcus Aurelius. XRP is the second child of David Schwartz, and if you know, you know. It's like, cause oh man, like you want to make me talk about SHA-256 and the whole fucking deal, man. Like cryptology back before it was crypto. Like the art, it's cause it's an art. It's not really anything else. Cryptology to me, it's an art. It's like the art of stealth, right? And stealth with data. That's all it is. Now, like, it's become something so much more. But like, I've never been able to find this. I might have to. I'm gonna fucking try again. Groups of trustworthy people, organizations, groups of untrustworthy organizations and sensitive information. I'm never going to be able to find this document again, man. Never going to find it. When were data lockers created? Data locker. Why did they make it so? I hate Google. The lost history of the flat earth? No, I should check it out. Sounds like my fucking jam. Sounds like my jam. I ain't gonna count. Data lock cryptology. Oh, dude, I'm for it, man. I'm for it. I actually like. So I just bought. Fuck it, I gotta pull them out. I got 10 books by Paulo Coelho. I don't know. Or whoever the fuck wrote this book. No, it's Paulo Coelho. You probably can't even see, man. But it's got The Alchemist, The Warrior of Light, The Pilgrimage, 11 Minutes, The Witch of Portobello, Veronica Decides to Die, The Valkyries, The Fifth Mountain, Brita the Zahir. I also have, I got Plato, the Euthyphro Apology Credo Phaedo. It's like 3 different books. And no, I guess I don't even know. It's a Loeb Classical Library. I'm not really sure what the fuck it is. But it's Greek philosophy. Oh, another good one I got today. As a Man Thinketh. Another good one. I can't wait to get into these. Oh, you might dig this. You know who Mr. Klaus Schwab is? You gotta know who Klaus Schwab is. Fuck, you know who he is. I got one of his books. This is like the very first book I read when I got into cryptocurrency. Fucking, and it fucking scared me, bro. This book scared me, man. Like, it's so fucking scary the way he thinks. Like, diving into Klaus Schwab's mind is fucking terrifying. It's so crazy. But, like, I guess, like, I don't know. I try to remember, like, how you... Yeah, man. Yeah. So, like, when you, like, like, I read this, and I was like, man, I gotta know more about this dude. That's when I found out about the World Economic Forum and oh yeah. Well, and that's what's interesting about XRP, and this is some insane shit that I've been saying lately. In the Bible, it says, in the end times, to buy of me the gold tried of the fire. But it says, buy of me gold tried of the fire, so that you may be rich. And I think it's really interesting that it's rumored that XRP to back gold is a thing. Will XRP be gold backed? I don't know. I don't know, man. But dude, there's all these fucking rumors and fucking I was like, bro, I swear I've heard this before. So I picked up the Bible just to read it. Not even out of being scared. I was like, what? Hold on. Because when the SEC started suing them, and it's a pay-to-play game. You gotta pay to play. It's fucking pure gold, man. So one day maybe I'm not able to get my fucking money. But if I was right, I'd be happier. You know what I'm saying? Just for being that's totally possible. If I'm wrong, whatever, you know? But, I definitely enjoy the idea of some interesting shit like that. Because you never know until we know. That's the unfortunate truth. I wish we knew. To be honest. It would be hella nice. Yeah. Straight up, had to slow it down. Because they had other things going on that they needed to deal with first. Absolutely, man. I'll be around. I am kind of hit or miss, but I try to get on here. I've been trying to be more active. I did start a new sales job, though, so I've been fucking grinding. Super grinding. Yeah, have a good night, man. I'm just thinking about ending stream as well, so sounds like the perfect time. I wish it wasn't so huge. It hurts. It's, you know how, bro, I can't talk to people. I can't be out in public. It's fucking bad. It's fucking bad. How to talk to people. I'm like an AI at this point, I feel like. Just literally. I'm social as fuck. I'm talkative, but, I'll hit you with some weird shit. Everyone will be talking around me, and then I'm thinking about some numbers, some shit that don't even matter right now. Thinking about some book. Something I read in a book 6 years ago. Thank you, brother. I like to think so. I didn't work for about 10 months until I got this job, and I'm fucking so happy. Thank you, man. Thank you. And I try to make it look good, feel good, you know. Fucking, it's been a long fucking ride with the content stuff. It hasn't been that long. I've been really going at it for like a year, so. I wouldn't even say I've been going that hard, but I made sure I got the equipment and looked good, you know. I don't want to put out poor quality, you know, fucking videos, poor quality information, none of that. I got to be top tier, top level, man. Even if I am a fucking needle in a haystack, man, with all the creators right now. If I can help one person, that's one person more than I did the day before. So, fucking A. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, but XRP is not right now. It's not very beautiful. Very scared. But we gonna see what fucking happens. It'll be alright regardless in 8 years type shit. That's the way I think about it. So I don't plan on touching most of my crypto for 6 more years. So I got a while. That's what I told myself. Fucking, I don't even know how long ago. Part of me regrets it. Hey, I'll have to do some research. He said more people must hear you. Oh, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're the only person that showed up today, too. It's like, sometimes it'll be like hella people. Sometimes it's nobody. And it's the way the wind goes. I still get on here and I'll yap to my damn self. Someone will come listen to it eventually. At least that's what I like to think. That's what I like to think. Hell. Right, I swear to God, man. I swear, I've been here before. I've known since I was fucking a kid, man. That some serious shit would happen to me in my early 20s. Here I am. Like, I used to tell my parents I'd be a millionaire in my 20s. And I fucked it up. I should be. But I'm not. It's okay. It's okay, though. Like, I've made well over $1 million in my lifetime. But I've fucked a lot of it off. So. But now we got all the knowledge. We just apply it and move forward, man. I move forward, apply pressure, move forward, man. Fucking try something new. 1% better a day, man. It's been working pretty well. I started a business in social media marketing. Fuck yeah, man. Shit, I'm glad to have said that, man. For you to have said that, man. I'm glad that Like, we could really make a connection, man. That's what I love about this shit, man. And being small, it's like I'm able to actually connect with people, get to know people. Makes it a lot more enjoyable for me, too, man. So I appreciate you coming by, man, for sure. Oh, yeah. I be trying to dig, man. I be trying to dig. I should get on the fucking dark web eventually, but I don't know if I'd do it on YouTube. It might have to go down on something else, some other streaming platform. Fuck it, because there's some good info out there too. You just gotta find it. But there's also some really bad shit that you come. That's why I'm like, I don't know. I'd have to do it off screen or something. I don't know, because God forbid I come across the wrong fucking website out there. I'd be fucking crying because I'm banned. Be pissed. Market. Oh shit. Yo. Oh. Fuck. As I'm talking about my marketing business, my boy just hit me up and told me to market his projects. I'm like, you fucking motherfucker. What? I might have to. Fuck it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Some meme coins though, so I don't know. Like, they're easy. They're easy to handle, but like hard when I'm working a sales job and I take that shit seriously. Like, I don't play. I'm trying to make some money. But I did start the business with someone else, so I bet if I made the plan and told him to execute it, he would. He would do it, especially if they pay me. I've got to show the homie some love. If he's, I guess I'm outsourcing the work, but I guess I don't know. Show the homie love. Yep, Cause yeah, I mean, man, I'm like a nerd for data now. Like, I'm a data freak. Data and finance, like, it's bad. It's so bad. I mean, it's good, but I pray for the days that I don't have to think about this shit anymore. Cause it's all I do. People ask me, they're like, "What's your hobbies?" And I'm like, "I stare at charts." All day. Fuck it. I'll maybe play some games from time to time, but I gotta be in the know, man. Especially if I'm working a job. I'll be busy. So it's hard to keep up. It's also the great part about streaming is it gives me time to like talk to people, learn new things as well. It's fucking great. It's fucking great. Dude, I don't know what it is. If it's like that I'm really just obsessed with money, or if I'm obsessed with how the human mind operates with traders, because trading is like a psychology game. So like it fucking like some of the fucking coincidences and shit that you see in charts, it's just like so fucking cool. Like, and then you're like, I should just day trade type shit, but I did it for a while. I wasn't bad. I think for like my first couple of weeks, I had like an 80% win rate on Solana futures. Fucking, and then I got clapped one time because this girl came over, bro. And I never set stop loss because I'll always, like, I know I'm right. So, like, I'll just increase my position if it starts to go opposite direction. Because, like, generally, like, I know damn well just because I want to enter here doesn't mean it's not going to go a little bit below that and stop everyone else that entered, before or after me, depending on which way it goes. Like, I'll just increase my position, get a better, entry for a short, for example. Like in this case, I had set my stop losses where I would have just re-entered, like doubled my entry, because I did like very low risk and with leverage. So you're fucking making, bro. I was like super, yeah, bro, cake. Love that shit. Love that shit. But like, you've got to be able to take that risk. And I just didn't give a shit I didn't give a shit, man. I got wrecked. Hit my stop loss, bro. Fuck stop loss. Bro, yeah, XRP fucking, dude, hurts my soul. It hurts. It's the hardest thing to hold in the world. ETH right now kind of upset me. I expected more out of Ethereum. Doge is fucking cool. Fucking, like it's that shit. Yeah. Bro, trading. Yeah. Girl says, teach me how to trade. I'm like, no, I don't want to spend that long with you. I ain't trying to. No. Like, we better go get some coffee then. Like, fuck. And a lot of it. We're gonna be here for a while. But man, Johnny, man, I've got to get out of here, brother. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, man, in the stream. I appreciate you coming by, man, chatting shit. It was a good night for it, man. Happy Sunday, happy New Year. 2025 is gonna be fucking legendary. You know why? Because 2 plus 0 equals 2. Plus 2 is 4. Plus 5 is 9. The number of the universe. It's gonna be a beautiful year, baby. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fucking sick, or it's gonna be insane. We'll see what happens. Sick or insane. But yeah, until next time, my man. I appreciate you coming out, brother. Deuces.